Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete an email inside your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete your email inside Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you get personal emails in your shared inbox, and maybe you want to go ahead and delete that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. Try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete an email inside your Pipedrive, you're going to want to click here on the left, the little envelope icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the emails that you have inside of your Pipedrive. So I only have one inbox. If you have more than one inbox connected to your Pipedrive, make sure you're working in the correct one. You'll just click on the account. Once you've done that, you're going to see these little check mark boxes next to each email. You can go ahead and check this out one by one, or you can click right here on this little arrow and select all if you want to delete all your emails. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one right here. Okay, so once you check the boxes or just the one box, you're going to see these buttons here on the top, archive and delete. So archive will keep the email in archive right here on the left. That way, if you need to reference back to that specific email, you can go ahead and pull that up once again. However, if you want to permanently delete it from your Pipedrive, you're going to click on the trash can, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, once you click on the trash can, you're going to get a pop-up asking for you to confirm that you want to delete that email. It's going to be a red button to confirm, and a quick second later, the page would refresh, and as you can see, that email has been deleted from my Pipedrive, so it's going to show up on my account or anyone else's account inside my Pipedrive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete an email in your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.